Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple recently launched something super exciting, the brand new Mac Mini. This little powerhouse is ready to blow your mind. If a desktop machine makes more sense for you and you have a nice monitor to pair it with, this Mac Mini is your best option without a doubt. Let's dive in and talk about what makes the Mac Mini a game changer. First off, this thing is packing M4 chip inside and it is super fast. Apple says that this Mac Mini is 2.2 times faster than M1 machines, and this absolutely blows my mind because M1 was such a huge hit in itself. On my M1 MacBook, no matter what I throw at it, it handles it all with ease, and now I can only imagine how fast this Mac Mini would be. We really need to take a moment to appreciate how compact this thing is. 5 by 5 inches, this is super impressive. Well, small in size but massive in performance. Because of such a small form factor, this Mac Mini would fit into any setup, whether it's your office desk or the entertainment center in your living room. Whether you're editing videos, creating music, or just browsing with a million tabs open, this Mac Mini will be able to handle it all with ease. It has 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports with 1 HDMI and an Ethernet port at the back, 2 USB Type-C and headphone jack at the front. These ports at the front are going to be super convenient for your everyday accessories. I'm a bit disappointed with one thing about this Mac, and that is SD slot, because this is something I use quite a lot. Apple showcased Mac Mini as the perfect match for all kinds of creators like photographers, video editors, and then decide to get rid of SD slot. It doesn't make sense because SD slots are probably one of the most used slots by these creators. Well, it's nothing new. I guess we will be using dongle for this one as well. If I forget about SD slot for a bit, this Mac Mini with M4 Pro chip takes everything to a whole another level. With more raw power inside along with 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports which are capable of transferring data of up to 120 gigabits per second. That is absolutely insane. There aren't many Thunderbolt 5 accessories available at the moment other than Thunderbolt 5 cable that Apple is selling, but I expect them to hit the market in the coming months. And they're going to be expensive for sure. The Mac Mini can support up to 3 6K displays, and you can optionally make an upgrade to 10 gigabit Ethernet port, which I think worth upgrading if you're using any kind of network storage device like NAS, for example. With all of this power packed in such a small form factor, you might be wondering you may be able to cook your breakfast on it as well. If not for Apple Silicon, you probably could have done that. Apple Silicon chips have done a great job with keeping things cool so far, and I'm sure it will continue to do so. You probably have to cook your breakfast the usual way. I have been quite impressed with this announcement and can't wait to get my hands on this machine. And when I do, I will do a product review of it, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today. If you like watching videos that helps you make your life easy with tech, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.